Hi there, this is Chris Kellett with MuseGrid.com, and I'm delighted to show you our new tool called Style Magician. Now, it's been completely built in Muse, so it's using everything that Muse offers, but it's a new way of creating these really nice graphics, buttons and elements for your website very quickly. It's particularly aimed at people that want to create graphics but maybe don't have the Photoshop skills, or for those that want to create elements for their Muse website quickly. So you can see here we've got some sliders, some graphical buttons, some place markers for maps, accordions, tab panels, menus, horizontal and vertical, and form. So let's go ahead and show you how it works. Now, all of these elements that are selectable in the grey area here relate to parts of the elements on the canvas here. So instead of having to update individual elements, we can just update these styles here. Let's go ahead and show you how that works. So let's select this rounded button here, and we'll go into the fill properties, and we're going to change this gradient over to this nice purple color. We're going to also change the border to a purple. So we've got that style there, we're happy with that. Now if we go over to our graphic styles, let me just open this up a bit, we can see that we have a plus button here next to the style, and it's selected. So if we right click and redefine that style, we see that all of the elements using that style have now been updated. And now we can just grab our element from the page, copy it, go into our project. So I'm just going to create a new project here, and paste it in place. Ooh, it's gone down there. So now we have our button on the page. We can just double click into the text area, change the text, select the button, apply a link to it, and we now have a fully functioning button that we created in our Style Magician. So what else can we do? Well, let's take a look at these orange lines and so on. So we want to get everything looking the same. We'll select this dark color here, and again we'll go in and change the gradient to this nice purple. Go and change the border color, and we've got in the graphics panel here again, we right click and redefine style. Now if we scroll down our page, it may take a few seconds just to update. If we go down our page now, we can see all of these elements have now been updated to match our style, and you can see that we're very quickly building up our styles palette. These could be flat colors, they don't have to be gradients. We've got also got effects, so we've got this inner glow working on here that gives it that nice effect on there to make these nice kind of glass type buttons. Very easy to do. We can change our font styles, our text styles, and it's very straightforward to update, and it means that we don't have to select the individual elements, and then we can just copy and paste them into place where we want them on the page. So that's Style Magician 1. We're hoping to bring more styles to you with other versions of Style Magician, so that you've got a good palette of styles that you can easily build website elements with and very quickly build your websites. So for those of you that aren't great with Photoshop or other photo editing tools, we hope that this gives you the ability to build really nice icons and buttons and elements for your websites. And for those of you that are good with photographic and editing, graphics editing tools, we hope that this is a really good tool for speeding up your workflow, for getting those sites built quickly so that you can get paid quickly. Thanks for watching.